All right, let's continue. Let's look at number 4. So number 4 says our mass is 22 grams and our volume is 2 centimeters cubed, and we want to know the density. Okay, so let's go back to our camera over here. We know the formula for density is density equals mass divided by volume. So I'm going to put M divided by V over here. We're going to set it up just like we have everything else. Oops, except for I put the wrong one. I want density equals, and then mass and our volume, and then we'll have our answer right there. So our mass right here, 22 grams. Our volume is 2 centimeters cubed. And we can plug this in our calculator if we need to, and that's okay. So our mass is, our mass is 22 divided by 2, and that is 11. So I'm going to put 11 right there, and that, remember, we move our units down because this is science class and units are super important. So 11 grams per centimeter cubed. That's going to be our answer for number 4. Let's look at number 5. Ooh, here we go. Number 5, our mass is 16 grams. Our density is 2 grams per centimeter cubed, and we want to know what the volume is. So let's go back. I wrote down our mass and our density, and we want to know what the volume is. And let's look at our notes again. So volume equals mass divided by density. So that's what I'm going to put right here. Mass divided by density. And we're going to set this up just like we have everything else. So I'm going to put V equals, give us a spot, another spot, and then our answer is going to go right here. So first we need mass, and mass is 16 grams. Our density is 2 grams per centimeter cubed. And then all we got to do is plug it into our calculator. If you need to, you can. If you don't, that's fine too. But we'll do it just in case. So, oh man, I've got a heck of a glare. Come on, thing. All right, let's try this. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So our volume is 8, and remember the centimeter cubed is going to be the unit for volume. So there we go. Let me get my lights to come back on so we can see. Well, we'll come back over here and look at number 6. Number 6, our density equals 2 grams per milliliter. Our volume is 20 milliliters, and we want to know what the mass is. So mass equals. Let's come back over to our camera so you can see what I've got down here. And my lights won't come back on. I'm not sure what's happening there, but that's okay. We can still see. So we want to know what the mass is. So I'm going to put an M for mass. Oh, there they go. Thank you, Julianne. Mass equals, let's look at our formula. Mass equals density times volume. So we're going to come over here. I've got a spot for my density times volume. So there's my density, there's my times, and here's where I'll put my volume, and then my answer will go right there. So our density is what we need first. That's going to be 2 grams per milliliter. Our volume is what we would put second, and that is 20 milliliters. And now we can figure out our mass. So if you want to plug this into your calculator, you can. If you don't want to, if you already know just by looking, that's fine too. But we're going to put 2 times 20, and that is 40. So our mass is 40, and there's our unit right there. So we're going to grab that and bring that down. So number 6, our answer is 40 grams.